everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. This video it's about reviewing, testing, and how to use. This is a great machine to have if you're doing any kind of renovation jobs for home, residential or commercial, which is the portable. So it is Porter cable 10-inch sander, and this one we use for ceiling or walls. As you can see, this is about almost maybe I would say maybe 6 foot long. I'll put the link description down below so you can read more about it, all the details and everything. But this video is basically testing it, reviewing it, and how to use it. I used this machine last 10 years. I was doing complete renovation, home and residential and commercial. And so I found this machine, it's one of the best to use for if you're doing any like businesses, or if you use it for home personal also, doesn't matter. But when I got this machine 10 years ago, it was when it first came about $1,200. Now it's probably $850 or something. I'll put the link description also if you want where to buy it also. So basically, let's talk about this machine quickly here. Here are this is about maybe 12, 13 foot, something like that, hose. And simply here you see the ring here, the steel ring. All you need to do to hook it up here, basically lose this one. You can lose it a little bit, just like that. You don't have to remove it. Put this one in, push it, and then tie it down a little bit until you see it's locked. And it's also, you can, because it's flexible, so when you use the machine, this hose does not get cut or ripped off or anything or damaged. And that's a great feature about this machine. First, the machine, it's I don't know how much it weighs, but I would say maybe 2 kilograms or something like that. Here are the switch. This machine, you can see the switch, it's completely covered, preventing any dust getting inside or moisture or anything like that. On, off. Here in the bottom, this is a speed, variable speeds. So start from 1. This machine, it's kind of a little bit dust all over, drywall dust, all type of dust, is because it's been used, I said, 10 years, and it was no problem whatsoever. Still working fantastic, and it's very powerful machine. So start from 1, the speed, all the way to so from 1 all the way to it's 5 speed. So it has 5. I use it always on 1 because this machine, I can see when we're gonna be turning on, and we'll see how it works. We're gonna be testing how to handle it and stuff like that. So stay tuned, watch the entire video, and so you know how good this machine is. It's one of the best pretty much in the world, I would say. Very powerful machine. This machine is made in Mexico, so it is here are all the, like, if you can see, and of course you got the power cable. It is long one too, and it is about maybe like, I don't know. So let's move this one. To move this one, just like that, and it's moved. And so pretty much the power cable almost like 15 foot, just a little longer than the hose cable, which gives you really convenient to work for like very high ceiling and stuff like that. So basically, to handle this machine, grip like that. So it's always like that. One hand here, the other hand here. If you do the ceiling, just like that, see, and then moves. So to do the wall, you can do just like that, and pretty much you can reach up to 14, 16 foot high wall, or about 10 or a 9 foot ceiling high. So it's reachable anywhere, convenient and stuff. So the machine, actually, here are the sands. So you can see here, this hose sucks the air, because the great thing about this machine is you can hook it up to any shop vacuum. Any shop vacuum, you can hook it up, and pretty much it sucks all the dust. So you don't have to worry about dust getting all over And that's what I start using this machine 10 years ago, because when we do renovation, when it comes for sanding and everything, sand taping, drywall taping, mudding and everything, the dust got all over and customer start complaining, and I decided to use this machine, preventing very, very low dust. And so the way to, let's first, before we talk about the sander itself there, the sand pad and everything, we'll talk about the hose a little bit. So the hose here, you can see this, we can hook it up there. This end here, I think I lost the original attachment for this, but you can use either like any kind of thing. You need to, I use a rigid, this is a 3.5 horsepower, very powerful vacuum. And of course you need to have a powerful, very good quality dust, what's, yeah, this one, I didn't clean it, but yeah, anyway, just to show you, you need to have a good quality dust filter like this one. And basically, so all you need to do, just simply hook up the filter here and stick this one back in like that, and then put it back like that. So here the hose, you can do either way. You can do like connecting this like that here, this end. Maybe it does not fit right because I don't have the right, but you know, just to give you an idea, this end can go like that, and then either way here, or you go directly to the vacuum, just like that. See? So basically this hose, the air, the suction of the vacuum from all the way to here, all the way to this hose around this here. So you have you can see a little brush here, brush like around to basically sucks all the dust and everything. So here you can see this kind of the great thing about this sander also, you can see how flexible it is. So pretty much like turn this one and down, so you can reach pretty much all the corners and everything easy and without twisting your hand or anything like that. This hose is removable, very you can see this hose is easy to remove, because when the vacuum start sucking up this hose will stay hard in, it won't be removed easy. And so the sander, this is you can use, doesn't matter any dust disc you want to use, so 150 to 100 depends on the surface you want to sand. So of course, I mean 80 for very rough sanding stuff, 100 or 110 or 150 or so on, 180 for 200 for very smooth. Very simple to remove the sander pad, just like that. This is a metal washer and the net, of course, so it's metal and plastic. Here are the dust, I mean the sander pad, and those are available also. I'll put the link description where you can buy those and everything, all the parts and everything you need for this sander. But this dust sand disc lasts for a very, very long time, so just to let you know. Also, and this is you can remove this if you want, you can remove this, but I'll leave it. I don't have to remove it for now, just to, so that's what to put everything back together. Very simple, just like that. Put this one in, make sure this one in the center, and put the washer back in. Push a little bit. You don't need to tie it too hard, because the machine spins the opposite way, so this one will never lose. It will always stay, because if you tie it too much, basically it won't hold. Because this is all like sponge, right? So it's just regular sponge. This is stickable, so removable, and just like that, and it's all done. Just like that. So now, after we talk about the machine and everything, we'll give it a try. We'll spin it up and hook it up to the power. You see how it works. Okay, so as soon as this is the switch, turn it on. This is number one. You can see here is number one. See, when I turn the machine on full speed, number 5, the machine starts spinning super fast, and of course this one loose a little bit. And basically when this it's on the ceiling on any kind of surface, it won't lose, it will stay as is, because now it's just on the air, and I've put on a full speed, that's why it starts losing a little bit. But see, once this one it's on like that on the ceiling wall, this one will stay, never lose. I'll show you right now how this will work. For example, we have a wall here, you need to sand. So always start on number 1, because I say this machine is very powerful, super fast, and pretty much it can sand anything very, very fast. Here we go. So number 1, this is number 5. Okay, now we're gonna feel this wall. You see this wall, this side is very, very rough, and this side is super smooth, very, very smooth. So that's basically it, how to, like, you know, the best way is to hold it like that, and then start sanding. So to do this, like as you see, it's already hooked to the vacuum. The vacuum is off. I didn't want to turn it on because it will be very noisy. Just to show you, as soon as you turn the vacuum on, there will be no left any kind of dust at all. And so to do the ceiling, same thing. Basically, see, all you need to do just like that. Hold it, I'm holding it like that. And so that's how it pretty much works. See, this machine, it's about 5 foot or something. Anyway, so I hope this video helpful to you guys, and please, we need your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We have more videos to upload, and basically we're gonna be having like uploading a lot of videos soon about home renovation, how to do painting, how to drywall, how to do framing, and a lot of things. And I'm professional home renovator, commercial and residential, so we'll be uploading more videos, and we need your support. Please don't forget to support us, like and share, and see you next video. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best.